What do you usually do on Saturday? What do you usually do on Saturday?
I clean and relax. I clean and relax.
Do you sleep late on weekends? Do you sleep late on weekends?
Yes, until 9 a.m. Yes, until 9 a.m.
Do you go to the market on weekends? Do you go to the market on weekends?
Yes, with my mother. Yes, with my mother.
Do you do sports on Sunday? Do you do sports on Sunday?
Yes, I play basketball. Yes, I play basketball.
What's your favorite weekend activity? What's your favorite weekend activity?
Playing cards with friends. Playing cards with friends.
Do you visit friends at the weekend? Do you visit friends at the weekend?
Yes, very often. Yes, very often.
Do you go to church or mosque? Do you go to church or mosque?
Yes, every Sunday. Yes, every Sunday.
Do you like watching football matches? Do you like watching football matches?
Yes, I support PSG. Yes, I support PSG.
Do you go to the beach on Sunday? Do you go to the beach on Sunday?
Sometimes with my cousins. Sometimes with my cousins.
What time do you wake up on weekends? What time do you wake up on weekends?
Around 8 a.m. Around 8 a.m.
Do you clean the house on Saturday? Do you clean the house on Saturday?
Yes, I sweep and wash. Yes, I sweep and wash.
Do you go shopping at the mall? Do you go shopping at the mall?
Yes, for clothes or shoes. Yes, for clothes or shoes.
Do you listen to music on weekends? Do you listen to music on weekends?
Yes, I love Afrobeat. Yes, I love Afrobeat.
Do you sometimes go dancing? Do you sometimes go dancing?
Rarely, but yes. Rarely, but yes.
Do you go to the cinema? Do you go to the cinema?
Yes, once a month. Yes, once a month.
Do you eat out on Sunday? Do you eat out on Sunday?
Yes, at a restaurant. Yes, at a restaurant.
Do you wear special clothes on weekends? Do you wear special clothes on weekends?
Yes, I dress well. Yes, I dress well.
Do you help your parents on weekends? Do you help your parents on weekends?
Yes, I do the dishes. Yes, I do the dishes.
Do you go to parties? Do you go to parties?
Yes, with my friends. Yes, with my friends.
Do you take photos on weekends? Do you take photos on weekends?
Yes, especially selfies. Yes, especially selfies.
Do you drink tea with friends? Do you drink tea with friends?
Yes, on the terrace. Yes, on the terrace.
Do you study during the weekend? Do you study during the weekend?
Yes, when I have exams. Yes, when I have exams.
Do you travel for the weekend? Do you travel for the weekend?
Yes, sometimes to the as. Yes, sometimes to the as.
Do you cook special meals? Do you cook special meals?
Yes, like yassa or mafe. Yes, like yassa or mafe.
Do you rest a lot on weekends? Do you rest a lot on weekends?
Yes, I need to recharge. Yes, I need to recharge.
Do you visit your grandparents? Do you visit your grandparents?
Yes, they live nearby. Yes, they live nearby.
Do you like doing nothing on Sunday? Do you like doing nothing on Sunday?
Yes, just relaxing. Yes, just relaxing.
Do you go jogging in the morning? Do you go jogging in the morning?
Yes, with my brother. Yes, with my brother.
Do you work on weekends? Do you work on weekends?
No, I don't work. No, I don't work.
Do you play video games? Do you play video games?
Yes, I love FIFA. Yes, I love FIFA.